So the strawberry beds right here, and these are runners that I actually allowed to stay on, and I will be digging those up for anybody who wants to have some strawberries. So yeah, they're from last year, and of course the runners touch the ground and will start to root anywhere they touch the ground. So I love being able to reap the benefits of plants that multiply. And this is my strawberry patch. So this is just one of the things that will send off runners, what are called runners. So nice big worm that just came up underneath this log. So we're gonna throw it in there to go down into the strawberries. Anyway, so here's some runners. You can see the runners coming out of, these are runners. These are runners. These are ones that didn't survive. But as you can see, I have strawberries coming up on the outside of the strawberry bed, all over the place. And so I will be able to, these are rooted in the ground now, and so I'll be able to transplant them. This is a weed. I will be able to transplant them into a pot and either plant them somewhere else or sell them to somebody that would like to have some strawberries. So that's kind of cool. Let's see, I don't see any around this side. Oop, there's some around the back side down in the weeds down there. So that's awesome. So I have a pot. I filled some of my soil mix in here, and here is a crown. Okay, the root system is really good. These are the runners, which is what was attached to the main mother plant. And we're just going to lay that to where the roots are spread out. Let me see if that will focus in. There we go. And then we're just going to top fill on top of those roots and press down firmly. And that'll be that. And we're done.
We will cut all these runners off.
So, can you see that? So basically, you don't want to plant any higher than this depth right here where my thumb is.
Nope. I'm sorry? I don't know. I would assume down, but I don't know that. Does the instructions tell you? Well, you should.
So I am not quite done yet, but I have potted. These are all strawberry plants off of runners from last year's crop. And we've potted up so far 60 strawberry plants. And look at that. These are all from on the outskirts of our strawberry bed. And there's more along each side and on the back. And I will continue to pop more up as they come. Cut all of our runners this year so that we have a great crop of large, big, juicy strawberries. If you don't know, it takes a lot of energy to produce a new plant, so you want to cut the runners off.